We are on our way to the compound. It's a Mixin Gas Haulin Ass day. They're holding a 2-stroke day. So everything what's going to be down there, 125, 250. I believe there's going to be some 500s down there as well. So it should be a good day. It is a little bit late. It's now 1 o'clock, so we are going down there a little bit late. It was a bit of a heavy night last night, to say the least, wasn't it, boy?
For you it was, anyway.
Woo! So a few strong coffees today. Whether or not I ride, I don't know, but I'm suffering for it. Had a few too many sherbets last night, and we went out for a meal, and I haven't a clue what I was ordering. It was like, I'll put a little picture on the screen. It was octopus leg. Octopus leg. I don't know. I'd had a few beers, so I just ordered anything. Trust me though, it wasn't the best.
I thought it was alright.
Hey?
I thought it was alright.
Oh no, it was like having some kind of I'm a Celebrity push trucker trial. You know when the tentacles touch the top of your mouth, the little suckers. That's what did it for me. It was dead hard, dead chewy. Then as soon as them suckers touched the top of my mouth, it was game over. I just couldn't do it. Then we came back from there and we went and bought a dessert, and then a friend come round at about, gosh, I don't know, 11:30 or something like that. And I mean, I was still half cooked, so he turned up, bought my camera off me. Can't really remember a lot about it. I woke up this morning, it was 600 quid by the side of my bed, and I'm like, what's all this about? So, don't drink too much, that's the main thing. But we managed to get up and get down the compound, so it should be a good day. It's only going to be half a day now, but we'll make the most of it. Oh my word. That's a big turnout, eh? That is a big turnout. Here's us thinking that it's not going to be very big. And it's all the way in the other field.
I've never seen it open that field up.
I've never seen that field. People in that one, definitely.
Yeah, me neither.
Oh.
There's Dean in the corner over there anyway.
Get my wheels dirty. Not seen my new wheels, have they? Ooh,
no.
You've not seen them, you're in for a treat.
There's Darren Bidwell's bike.
Right.
With Fox.
Fox guys are here.
Yeah. Yeah, I've got a set of the white ones.
The white ones, yeah. The new ones?
Yeah, the new ones.
Regan's just eyeing up the new Fox boots. I don't think you can buy them, can you?
You can.
No.
They're special.
Oh, they're special. You ain't having them, boy.
Yeah.
Let's go and have a look at the track. There he is, Wonder Boy.
Hello.
How are you, fella?
You good?
All right, mate. Yeah, you?
Good.
Managed to drag myself out of bed.
Good man.
Oh, heavy night. Heavy night. Yeah. So we're going to go and have a quick butchers of the track now. See what's going on. Is it good?
Yeah.
They're ripping some 500s around there, aren't they?
I've had you over 2 as well.
Have you? Yeah. Oh, we'll have to get that. We got the little ripper put away in there.
I did a Honda in Cowie.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Oh, no way. Can't be mint that well.
It's worth every penny that was.
Yeah.
Hey up, how are you?
Alright.
There's a little doggy. Hey up.
Yeah, won't walk.
Won't you walk? Oh, you're beautiful, you are, aren't you? Absolutely beautiful. You like this bit on the top of the camera, don't you? What's that bit there? What's this?
Lunch.
Oh, I found another puppy. I want to walk. I'm not walking this way. I'm just having a look.
Got a burger van and everything today. Tell you what, there's quite a few people here, isn't there? Oh, some big rippers coming out now. Tell you what, can't believe how many people are here.
There's quite a few, isn't there?
Smell that smell. I just heard a 4-stroke. Whether or not that's allowed today, I don't know. But
I don't think you have heard a 4-stroke.
I'm telling you now, I heard a 4-stroke. I heard a 4-banger going around a minute ago. But, whew. Fella! You got everything here. So many people, it's unreal. green machine.
Somewhere.
Somebody on it?
Hopefully it's on the track and not going down the M6.
Eh?
Hopefully it's on the track and not going down the
I
M6.
think he was going down the M6, you'd hear him. That's just got there. Another one. When you out? Oh, yeah. Where's the big dog? Oh, it's over there. You gotta kick up yourself now. Oh! God. Oh, he's not used to these gangster sticks, is he now?
Didn't realise I was.
Should be you can't kick it, you can't ride it.
I don't like kicking a 450.
Oh dear.
Oh, come on, Scott. Let's go and get kitted up. Oh, he's on a 4-stroke. I think he's been kicked out. He's sitting a bit low, isn't it? You've not seen these new big hoops? Look at them. It's like being back at Atherton in the 80s when men were men.
Are you filming?
Yeah. Man, isn't it? Some big bikes over there.
Perfect. Good.
Unbelievable. Tell me. Now it's a bit of kit line. You got to be a man to kick these bikes up, haven't you?
Yeah,
And he's got the little ripper here.
He's got about 3 shredded wheat.
Yeah, definitely. That'll build your calves up trying to get one of them 500s kicked up, Reed. You got the Fox team here, you've got to get the Fox kit on, haven't you? Look for some sponsorship. You got to, yeah. Little ripper. You're not ladies' sizes, are you, Lewis?
5.5.
Oh no! Kids' youth.
Yeah. Adults, small boot.
You have to go out with one Alpine Stars and one Fox one and see which ones you prefer.
That's pretty cool. Just stand up.
Because these have an inner boot though.
Yeah, that's why they're a lot bigger.
Much smaller, to be fair. They look better on your foot, to be fair.
Oh, he's ready! He's ready, the lad. Looking sweet now. Getting his exercises in as well, his aerobics before he kicks off. Nice. Jimmy Roczen. The boy's feeling a little bit nervous at the moment. So many riders here today. His pre-race routine. Two Manchester Extreme bikes. That sound nice. How was it? Hey? Choppy? Looks a bit rough out there at certain places. Getting a bit of a wobble on the front end. Good though. Dry, innit? Bone dry, could do with a bit of water. Could do with the raining for a good couple of hours.
Yeah.
At least you're not going to get your kit dirty, that's the main thing. down on that one. Looks like we could have a spot of rain coming. Definitely gone darker. These Euro boys with the lights on, they'll be alright out there. I think you got Jake Preston. The big man himself's out there, Paul. Oh, don't lose it. Take some talent not to put your legs down. The boy's doing well, he's doing well. Yeah, he's definitely riding well. Looks like they've put the top half of the track on as well, so they literally go up there and it's all the top half of the field. There he is, the boy. Somebody's on the big dog. Ah, it's Danny Tollett. Such a smooth rider. Could be a lot more aggressive. Prepped the track to perfection today. There is a bit, quite a few bumps and lumps in it. I think these 500s are going to feel it. looking good out there, I tell you. So smooth. Very choppy, isn't it? How them big 500s. How they're handling it, it's absolutely nuts. But it is a bit choppy. Doing well though, mate, really well. Such a smooth rider, I tell you. And the rain comes down.
You got a stand?
Hey?
A stand for me?
Oh,
please.
great. You want me to get wet? Here. Quick,
There.
stick it there. I'm getting back in. Oh, man. That's the last thing we wanted. I don't want rain to stop play. Oh! See, if you could drive the van, I could go and have a beer. Hey?
Not again.
We'll
Not
have to
having
be
any more
back
after
on
last,
it.
not after last night.
Dean wants to get you on the big dog. On the big dog. Big dog? Big dog? On the big dog. Hey?
What are you saying?
Get you on the big dog, on the big 500. Man's bike.
Big 500. I won't be able to kick it up.
Not the little ripper.
I won't be able to kick up these little legs. You will though, with your bloody
Yeah,
car.
yeah. I'll kick it up for you and then you can ride it. That's all I'm good for today. You dropped me off at the bar. Everyone's gone home.
He'll tear it up here.
Oh, hang on, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Oh, stuck. Got stuck. The boy's out there all on his own now. It's everyone's gone home. It's literally, we went and had a drink, come back, and everyone's packed up. It just started to rain and everyone seemed to go home, but that's what the track needed, just a bit of moisture on it, and now it's absolutely mint. I mean, look at this. Ain't going to get much better than this. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Now he's got it all to himself. Oh, one other two-stroke on there. Some nice bikes here today, I tell you. So there's another rider on the track at the moment, and I've said to Regan, just give him a bit of like encouragement to push himself a bit to see if he can catch the other rider. They're both on the similar level, so let's see if he can push himself. See if he can catch him. He's not far off. Splash and dash. Bit of fuel. Let's have a look.
Start 270.
It's in the back, I think. I was going to get all my van dirty. Spent all that time cleaning it out. That hand's tucked up in bed. Not going anywhere, is it? Stay in the back of the van. We should have actually, tell you what I need to do, release this pressure off the forks. It's not going anywhere. Remind me on to...
Can you give that a shake? I'm knackered.
Hey?
I'm knackered, give that a shake.
Shake and bake. Shake and bake, shake and bake. I suppose you want me to put it in as well, do you?
Yeah, go on then.
Come on then. Splash and dash.
It was that fast.
Don't take much.
It was the speed. That
No,
fast.
it goes up quite
Oh,
quick.
it has. Yeah, it is a thirsty girl. Is that supposed to be up or down?
That's supposed to be up.
Is it?
Yeah, because when it's at the bottom, it stops it from going pressing down like.
Oh yeah.
I'll take a lot more than that.
No, I'm just seeing. You don't want an overflow. That'll do you. Don't let it too heavy for you, do you? If it will slow you down.
Oh, Bean's gonna have a go, isn't he?
Yeah. We can get him. Let's see if we can grab hold of him. So we're just going back now. Dean's got the little 125, the little ripper. He's going to have a go on that. He'll definitely make that thing sing. I can hear him coming. Here he is. Track's absolutely mint now. Had a little bit of rain. Oh no, this isn't Dean. If it is, he's got a headlight. He loves this bike. A bit smoky at the moment, he's going to have to clear that out. Track's absolutely perfect now. What are you doing? What, you doing some kind of exercise? Ooh, that's a bit of head shake on that. Sounds good, doesn't it? Struggling to keep the front end down. Get him on the big dog, big 450. See how he likes that. 2023 KTM 450. Like he's liking that. It does look like he likes it. So smooth. He does surprise me at times. I mean, I can see him coming back now saying, the Honda's going, we're going to go to KTM. We did this before where he had a KTM for about 3 months and then just didn't quite gel with it, so we went back to Honda, because I reckon if you snapped him in half he'd say Honda on the inside, because he's a Honda man at heart, but he just liked to try different bikes. He'd literally got it into his head that he wanted a YZF at first, but the Honda was going, that was it. Going to get a YZF. Then he went back out on the Honda, started to enjoy it again, but I don't know, it does look alright on the 450. I think it'd be too much to handle. Even using the back brake. What do you think?
You know what? I actually like it.
Do you?
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, you were going well on it. I mean, I bet you can just stick in third gear all the way around, can you?
I
Or,
wasn't even in third.
weren't you?
First and second.
Were you?
Yeah.
First and second on a 450. You rode smooth, tell you, you're doing well. I bet it's got a hell of a lot of power though, hasn't it?
Feels actually really good.
Does
Feels
it?
smooth on the power.
See, the thing is though, it's, you know, once you start getting tired on a 450, it starts to become a bit dangerous unless you're a really, really good rider. But you look well out there, I tell you. I think the rain's just coming back down again. Are we going to call it a day now, or?
Yeah, I'll go back and call it a day.
Nice one. I'll go back and say to Dean, do you want a part exit against a Honda? A Honda and a YZ. Right, let's go before it starts throwing it down. Come on, let's go. Watch you don't tip over, it's on an angle.
Just shake it and just make sure it's fine.
I'm going to tell Dean the good news. Dean, he wants to know if you want a part exit for a Yam and a Honda.
Like it?
I actually love that.
Did
Smooth,
you?
isn't it?
Good.
He said he said it was unbelievable.
Pardon?
He said it was unbelievable.
That's good.
Can hardly see you through the smoke, is he? It's just,
Horrible, isn't it? As soon as I got here, it was like,
you're sitting in the perfect spot just with all the smoke coming.
I tried to get by the fire, but out of the rain.
Yeah, no matter where you sit, it
And
comes
then
to
it's
you.
like, it's got me. Difficult.
Right, let's get loaded up. Let's go. Have a good day. What you got there? What a treat.
Little treat, yeah.
Ooh.
Little box mug.
Fox mug for Jimmy Roczen. That's a little dinky thing, that, isn't it? Half a brew.
That'll be alright for when we go motocross.
Stick your prime in it.
No.
Alright, isn't it? You got your little Fox mug to your collection.
Oh,
It's been a good day, isn't it?
Hold on.
What's
Whoa,
up?
stop. I've got my can of thingy in there.
You are joking me. Ah, that's going to be spilt now, isn't it? Has it gone over?
No.
It's not gone over?
No.
Yeah. You dipstick. That is lucky.
How the hell is that not going over? I'm going to put that back in there and we get another drink.
Honestly. Good job you noticed that. Otherwise, you'd have had all coke in the back of the car, back of the van. What are you doing?
Got a magic dust as well.
Oh, he's on the prime.
Got to stay hydrated, don't I?
Isn't that mine?
Oh, you said it was mine.
Right, we'll call it a day. Let's get gone.